morning, Sundawn Squad. Currently heading out to Baganga, Davao Oriental. Knock knock!
Who's there?
Baganga.
Baganga who?
Araray Baganga, Araray Baganga, pruda sa puntang Baganga.
And just a friendly reminder, wala po masyado kayong makitang restaurants along the way. Kaya we recommend na magte-take out na lang po kayo ng fast food before heading out to Baganga.
Hello, jolly morning! Sir, confirm ko lang po, 6 pieces chicken and 3 pairs of spoon and fork. Balik-balik po kayo sa Jollibee!
Watch me, just follow every move. Touch me, let me know you want it too. Don't know what you need, but I got what you want, babe.
Or you could stop over dito sa Yachts Capehan where they serve native coffee and sikwate.
And they're just gonna give you a brief introduction on how Ardish enjoys his cup of sikwate and canada.
Don't ever let me go. We got the whole night. Just let me feel you close. Come surround me. Don't ever let me go.
So nakarating na talaga kami finally ng Langoyon Water Resort. Medyo umulan kanina and today we're going to try their water sports.
Kuya. Oy! Although it rained all day, we still enjoyed our stay here in Langoyan Beach Resort. At wag na wag kayong maniniwala sa internet regarding papasok dito sa Langoyan. It says 10 minutes. I strongly believe it took us around 30 minutes, pare.
So, Shandy, ano masasabi mo about Langoyan Beach Resort?
Great value and service. And do you remember our water sports, right?
And that's it for today, and see you again tomorrow.
I find it hard to reach you. You never say what's on your mind, yeah. I'm going crazy all over you. Just for a second, can you try? Every time you've been calling, saying this is what I want, then you ghost for a week and leave me hanging all alone. Push me back, pull me in, and the other way around. Pull me in, push me back. What do you want from me? What do you want from me?
Good morning from Resort Cartagena. Unfortunately, it is raining today, but di kami papapapigil. You shoot your shot even when the chips are down. Quick trivia, ang tubig po dito ay galing sa Pacific Ocean. Down to Langoyon, pa ganun-ganun, and then papunta na po dito sa Resort Cartagena or sa Lake Caroline. And actually, pagdating dito, it's already a mixture of seawater and fresh water, which actually they call brackish water. Please comment down below if tama po ako. Yak! Yak!
Maybe you're scared of getting hurt.
And a quick update. Ulan mangyapon eh. Te.
And as a wise man once said, when the chips are down, you still shoot your shots.
Mapunggan lamang kami sa ulan kay mabasa amon equipments. Kagdawaton naman kung ano yatag ya. Amo ng tao. Te. Amo yung resulta eh.
Way around, pull me in, push me back. What do you want from me? What do you want from me?
Along our way to Higadan, Long Beach, we stumbled upon a very beautiful gem called Mahog Cove, and you can find it right at the border of Baganga and Davao.
What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Can someone set me free? What do you want? What do you want?
So hello guys, ito po si Kuya Benedict, my student for today sa pagsasurf. Kuya Benedict, kamusta naman po yung first time mo mag-surf?
Okay naman. Enjoy! Kasi magaling yung instructor ko.
Seriously guys, magaling magturo si Kuya Benedict, and if ever you're interested mag-surf dito sa Cream Sand Long Beach, we'll be putting his contact number down below in sa information ng video. They also do tour guides, so link up.
I'm hoping what I said could make you change your mind.
Good morning. What is up, Sundawn Squad?
Good morning. Third day, thank God it's raining. Wala pa rin tatalo sa Baganga.
Only way to you is gone. The tide has turned. So give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat.
So, Shan, how do you find Curtain Falls?
Very nice. Great! When I grow up, I want to be a waterfall.
Great! Great, great!
And that's it for our Baganga trip. And for sure, there will be a part 2. Kasi ngayon pa, lumabas ang araw. Napauwi na kami. But thank God pa rin safe kami lahat and we enjoyed our trip. We stopped by here in Panabo, in Alma, Pick and Grill. And if you like our content and if you like contents like these, drop a subscribe and like button. And we'll see you in the next video. Shout out to Yas Capehan. We were very surprised for these wonderful gifts. And as a small YouTube channel, we